Today I have 5 pieces of wood. They all came from the Dollar Tree pre-cut. I have 3 that are 18 inches long and 2 that are 12 inches long. I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to glue the 12-inch long piece across the top of the 3 18-inch long pieces. I'm going to put one on each end, and then I'll put one right in the center as well. You can also use wood glue, especially if this is going to be going outside. You will want a stronger glue. Once I had those 4 pieces glued down, I'm going to take my second 12-inch piece and I'm going to glue it in the center of the 18-inch pieces that are coming down. I'm going to paint that with some Wise Owl chocolate. I'm going to give everything one really good coat. So I want full coverage on all of the unfinished wood. I then have these 2 boxes that also came from the Dollar Tree. They measure 3.5 by 6 inches. And I'm also going to paint those with some Wise Owl chocolate paint. Now you can leave the back side unpainted, as that will not be exposed. Once everything is fully dry, you want to make sure the paint is dry. I'm going to glue my 2 boxes together so they are sitting side by side. And then I'm going to add some hot glue onto the back side of the boxes. And this just happened to be the perfect length, and it fits perfectly at the bottom of the wood pieces. I'm then going to take some Wise Owl, Snow Owl, and a chip brush, and I'm going to dry brush on top of the chocolate. I just want a little dusting of white. I still want most of the brown to peek through. I have this raffia. I got the colored raffia from Hobby Lobby. It was in a 3-pack with this yellow, an orange, and then a natural color. I'm going to take the raffia and just make a little bow using several strands to give it a little bit of thickness. And then you can trim the tails to the length you want. I'm going to glue that to the top right corner of the window we created here. And I'm just holding it down with some hot glue. And then I have this small little sunflower that I'm going to place in the center. That also came from Hobby Lobby. Next, I have these wood word cutouts. You can get them in a pack from Dollar Tree. They have different fall sayings on them. This says, "Give thanks." I'm going to paint it with some Wise Owl Fireside. And I'm going to glue that to the bottom right box. Now, Fireside is one of the new color releases. They also have 6 other new colors. All of those can be found at our website at chalkitupfancy.com. I have this paper placemat. You can also use scrapbook paper. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to add hot glue to the outer edge of the paper and then 1 dot in the center. And I'm going to lay the window down on the paper so that it looks like you can see the leaves through the window. And there we go. Now we've created this very easy, inexpensive Dollar Tree window. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.